so now that we have set up our Coda, we've integrated Gmail, we've integrated Slack, we've set up our Zaps, I'm going to show you how this would all work as a workflow. So you have your messages that come in. Let's say you have a policy of no monthly payments, or you need approval to have auto renew taken out of a contract. You would just click get approvals and then check off sent for approval. And then in Slack, it would ideally go to the channel where the people that need to approve this kind of thing are. And then if they approve it, they can simply do a simple smile. And then because of your Zap, it will show up here. This brings in the Slack message. So it's a URL. This is the text. And then because it was approved in a simple smile, it populates here. Let's say we send this one for approval, and then we reject this one. This one will show up here. Give it a few minutes or seconds. Here we go. So because this was rejected, it's shown up here with the glitch crab here as rejected. And then from here you could color code it or something based off which of these columns has been populated. So this is how you can use Coda to deal with approvals in your workflow. Let me know if you have any questions or reach out in the Makerpad community. Thanks for watching.